Hi, I'm Brian Pfeiffer, aka the Marketing Meathead, and today we're going to go over day 8 of the Facebook affiliate campaign. Alright, so let's take a look here. This is where we're at. This was yesterday, which was Sunday. It's actually like basically Monday early morning, like 1 a.m. right now. I'm making this video because I lost some money over the weekend on this campaign, so I'm changing it up, and I want to give you guys an update so you can really follow along here, see how I'm thinking, what we're doing. So let's take a look at like the totals. That way we'll go to lifetime here and click on that. We've spent on this campaign, update this. All right, so it should update here in a second. Hopefully, let's see, lifetime update. Come on, there we go. So $990 spent. Okay, almost $1,000. This is what we've taken in. Let's go lifetime here. Year to date. We started this year. $765. So the weekend we took a beating pretty good. And we're going to evaluate what happened. We were up on going into the weekend, and now we're down. It is what it is. We ran some tests. It didn't work out. It's kind of the life of the affiliate here. But I do have some good news, so we'll share that with you in a second. So let's take a look at yesterday's news. What killed me was, let's go back to, we're going to go back to just Saturday here. Saturday was the 3rd. So let's go back to the 3rd, and we're going to see this. This is what gets me kind of weird about this campaign, and this is kind of the problem we were having before with it. I mean, we had 23 clicks on the, through the advertorial to the actual offer, and no conversions on Saturday. So, if you look at the amount of traffic that we ran, let's go Saturday here. 3rd. Let's just run that. And why didn't it work out? That's 2017. Obviously, that's not what we wanted. There we go. We want to go 18. Custom. There we go. All right. So this was what we spent. See, no results on Saturday. This was Saturday. Spent 122. Not a single conversion. So frustrating. Got a lot of clicks to the offer, but no conversions, which is very frustrating. So Saturday we took a beating, went negative on the campaign. It is what it is. But let's take a look at yesterday, which was Sunday. Sunday we had, we're going to go yesterday. We had 3 conversions at $135. So if you take a look at Facebook, and yesterday was profitable, actually, slightly. So we spent 125, brought in 135. But here's what I like to see. This was the ad set that had the grandma in it. Let's take a look here. Click on this. Yeah, this was the one that had grandma in it with. She was happy with. She was happy looking at her envelope. Crying, and this one actually did really well Sunday. So if you look at the cost per lead on this one, we were only at $25.47 on a $45 payout. So this one was pretty highly profitable yesterday, and it's kind of been profitable the whole time along here. Let's take a look at let's see, lifetime here of this ad set. And it's saying 44 a lead, but we've had some shares and stuff too with this. Remember, if we take a look at the engagement here, you're going to see a lot of shares, 16 shares. So there's probably a few more conversions on there. So we're probably lower than that. We're probably like 35 a lead, my guess, somewhere in that range. So I would say this is the winner right now. So I'm just gonna cut off this other one I was running. I bumped the budget on this one, and it didn't perform all that well. Lead cost was 67. Obviously, I'm only getting 45 back. This was lifetime. If you go back to let's go back to yesterday. And even yesterday I was at $74 a lead. So I bumped the budget, and this is what we were having problems with this campaign all along, was every time we'd bump the budget, it would go not profitable. So, maybe it's just a campaign. I don't know. We're going to play around with it a little more. I'm not taking too bad of a beating right now. I'm down a couple $100 because the weekend was terrible. But this one here is performing pretty well, 24.47. So what I did here, I took this and I bumped the budget up to $100 for Monday, which is going to be today. So it's going to start spending. I went from basically 25 to 100. So let's see if our issue with scaling this thing continues to be a problem. When we scale it, we lose money. So I don't know. We'll see how today does. Monday is usually a pretty good day. So yeah, that's where I'm at. So I cut off this one today. I am negative, but I was profitable today. This is a nice cost per lead. I'm getting some traction on this ad. This is definitely the winner so far. And let's see how it does on a $100 budget today. And I'll keep you guys updated. And we'll go from there. Hope you guys had a great weekend. And the Meathead is out. If you like what you're seeing, I would love a comment below. Hit the subscribe button, the like, and bang that notifications bell. And we'll talk to you guys soon.